What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Rouge the Bat from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw an oval for the nose. We'll start right in the middle at the very top, go all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a smaller oval on the top edge of the nose, and it'll fill the bottom of the nose in black going around that highlight. Now I want to add a curve going up above the nose, so we'll start back over on the left, go up in the middle, and then bend that back down. Let's curve the cheeks, going around and then up, round up the side, and then pull that in. Now I'm going to close off the bottom of the head, starting back over on the left, come down the middle, round up the chin, and then go up. Now I want to shift the mouth over towards the right side, starting at the top, then this down and in, add a bracket on the right side. Now we want to place the eyes on top of the muzzle, leaving a gap in the center, and start over on the left, and bend this up, and then out. Go to the right side, going up and out towards the same height. Now I'm going to round up the top of the eye, come down and just bend that in on top of the muzzle. Let's move to the inside of the eye and add the eyelid. We're going to bend this up and then out. Now on the ends, we're going to add two curled eyelashes. Start with the top, going out and up. Come back to the inside, come down and up. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. We start from the top, come down like an oval, pull that up on the inside, and do the same thing on the right. Let's trace the iris along the inside from the pupil, going down and up. Now on the top left, add a small half circle for a highlight inside the pupil, and we'll fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Now let's go out to the cheeks and add a fold, going out and then up along the side. Now let's go back to the cheeks, we're going to add a spike, and come down and then bend that out. Let's pull this back in and then up along the side of the head. Now from here we're going to round up the head and then pull that in towards the ear. Let's go out, up, and bend that in. From the top of the head, we're going to work our way out towards the tip of the ear. Go up, and then bend that out on both sides. And then from the tip of the ear, go straight down, and then we'll bend that in towards the side of the head. Now I want to duplicate that same curve along the center of the ear, coming down and then in. Let's go back to the tip of the ear. We'll taper this in and then down towards the top of the head. Now layer the head on top of the ears. We'll step out, curve this up in the middle, and then back down. Now I'm going to add that second spike after we've drawn in the body. Let's start right in the middle underneath the chin, start with a point. Now we're going to draw a heart. We're going to go up towards the left, all the way around, and then we'll just bend that back in towards the center. Let's go back up to the top and do the right side. Go all the way around, come down, and then in. Let's trace that heart along the inside. Now along the top curve of the heart, we're going to add a small curve going up and in. Let's come down towards the bottom, and goes down and out toward the hips. Now I'm going to draw the legs, going out and then down. Now I want to layer the edge of the boot on top of the leg. So we step out, move down, and then bend that in, move over towards the right, go across, and then up. Now in between the tip of the heart and the legs, we're going to add a curve, going up and then down, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, bend this out, and then down, leaving a little overlap along the inside of the boot cuff. Now on the side of the leg, let's step up, bend this out, and then down along the side. And then we'll add a fold, come down and in towards the leg. From this bottom point, let's step up, bend this out and down towards the cuff. And we'll round out the bottom of the cuff, coming down and up. Now from the inside of the cuff, let's step out, curve the boot, coming out and then down towards the heel. Now I'm going to separate the heel. Draw a straight line going out, draw a short line going up. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. Come down and then out. From the outside of the foot, we're going to curve the foot going up, across, and then down. And then from the outside of the cuff, let's step in, curve the boot, coming down and out on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot. We're going to step up, just follow that curve coming in towards the heel, and draw a straight line going across. Now we're going to add that heart along the top of the foot. Let's start from here, bend this down and out, go up and around and on top of the sole. Now we're going to go back up and draw the inside of the arms. Let's start underneath the heart, bend this out and then down towards the wrist. And in front of the wrist, we're going to draw the thumb. Coming in, round out the thumb, and then go back up. Let's add the first finger. Come down and then bend that out. Round out the finger, come in and bend that up. Let's add the second finger. Start from the tip, come around, up, and then in. Now on top of that second finger, curve the arm going up, and bend that in. Now layer that thick cuff on top of the arm. Let's step out, come down, and then in toward the inside of the arm. Let's bend this in and then up toward the top of that sleeve. Come down and back in. Now from this point, we're going to step in, curve the arm going up, round out the shoulders going up underneath the head. Now you want to add in the wings. Let's start from the top of the shoulder, come down, go around that spike, go up and hook that in. Let's round out the side of the wing, going out, down, and then in. Now we're going to connect the top and the bottom with another curve. And then along the bottom, we'll step up, curve this up, and then down just beside the hand. Bend this up and in behind the arm. And then we'll layer that second spike in behind the wing. Come down and then out on both sides. And now I'm just going to taper that back up underneath the head. Let's add her tail coming up from the right side. Start from the hip, bend this down around the hand and out. Now it's going to taper that back in towards the side of the leg. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Rouge the Bat from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.